Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the voice chat and microphone not working in RV there, yet on PC. First, we will check your Windows sound settings. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then Sound. Under the Input section, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Speak into your mic and check if the input level moves. If it is too low, increase the volume. If the wrong device is selected, the game will not hear your voice. Next, we need to check microphone privacy permissions. Open Windows Settings again and go to Privacy. Click on Microphone. Make sure the option that allows apps to access your microphone is turned on. Also, scroll down and confirm that desktop apps are allowed to use the microphone. Without this permission, voice chat will not work in the game. Now open RV There Yet and go to the in-game audio or voice chat settings. Make sure voice chat is enabled. Check that the correct microphone is selected inside the game. Also, confirm that you are not muted and that push-to-talk settings are not blocking your voice. Finally, we will update the audio driver. Right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your microphone and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows finish the process. After these steps, restart the game and test your microphone again. Thanks for watching.